Hey guys, how's it going? So I just got back from a trip, RV trip with the bikes. We went to the beach and I was pulling my kids on the trailer. And I had mentioned in a previous video that the handlebars, I guess this headset piece that clamps down the handlebars, this front bolt was stripped out when I first purchased it. So what I did was I just put a larger bolt in there, and not this one. I just put a larger bolt in there and jammed it in there until it was firm, and it was fine. But when I was at the beach the other day, I was going up a hill, like the ramp to actually get to the sand, and the torque from actually pedaling. I was pulling my kids on a trailer at the time, but the torque from pedaling, I just basically ripped that bolt right out. So I put this in there once I got back home, but before I did, when I was actually at the beach, I sent an email to Polarna, told them the situation, and they got back to me within a few hours and told me that they can send this entire piece to me. So it's already in the mail. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up because I did have to contact them for what I consider a warranty issue since it arrived damaged. And I had great communication from them. We were responding back and forth by email, and he would get back to me within a minute or so. So that's just my experience. I'm not associated with Polarna in any way at all. I paid full price for this bike, and I have noticed some issues, and I'm not afraid to call them out. So besides that, the only other thing that I've heard was the fender issue, and I just took mine off, as you can see, the rear fender, so I don't have the issue with this L bracket cracking off just from the vibrations. And that's it. I still got sand on there. So, but other than that, it's been great. I'll do a follow-up video once that part comes in. I did this afterwards, so I just drilled straight through, and I probably should trim this a little bit, but since I'm getting a new one, I'm not too concerned about it. But this will obviously hold a lot more firm. What it should look like is it should just have this hex head bolt in there, nothing coming out the bottom side. Anyway, and I did ask them to send the two hex head bolts because this one, when I actually tweaked the handlebars, that bolt bent a little bit. So I'm just gonna start from scratch. I'll put some Loctite on there and hope for the best. Pretty sure I'll be in good shape once I get a brand new one. Anyway, thought I'd give you an update on this.